Elite Designs, we're at it again. This is another project we just finished in Edo State, precisely Benin. And there's the living room. The client saw this design and he loved it. He asked if I could replicate it, and voila, here is it. So this is a simple, classic, mature design for a mature mind. Ah. So bring your designs, bring your designs. We're active. This is a dining. Yeah, this the kitchen, and that's the lobby. Yeah, the lobby is a two-bedroom apartment. So the clients just want something simple and classic. And yes, we delivered like we always do. Give professionals to handle your project. Don't give quack. Don't let price make you run eta skater. So this is the project. This is all to it. Peace out. One love.